Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Welcome back to Living Clutter Free. Guys, today I'm so excited to be bringing my face here on the side of the internet. Today we are going to be filming my minimalist house tour. Yes guys, I know it's one of the favorite videos you guys love to watch. This is going to be the entire house tour. Yes, from downstairs all the way upstairs, and I can't wait to bring you guys. It's been 2 years that we have been minimalism. That word is just that we have been practicing minimalism here very seriously, and I can't say enough. I've been so happy. I'm able to breathe. My home feels light. It feels airy. I'm just so happy to just be in my home. It's a very small home in my opinion, but it's big enough for the family of 5. So I'm going to show you guys what we have downstairs, upstairs. If you want to see the one I have done previously, it's going to be right over here. I will pin it. We have been living a minimalist lifestyle. Yes, and it's a lifestyle. It's not just a home. It's not just a decorate. We have been living that way for 2 good years. I have been practicing it. I have been learning and tweaking here and there what fits our family, how it best lives for us. There's still more that I could do. There's still more that I could learn, but for so far this is where we are. I'm going to show you guys downstairs, upstairs, the kids room, and how I organized and kept it simple. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. Stay tuned for more videos coming, guys. Talking about it just brings me so much excitement. But yeah guys, let's go inside. Let's go. Okay guys, since this is a full house tour, we're going to start in the entryway. My entryway is super simple. I keep it very simple. I have a black mirror from IKEA, and I will be doing a video with my IKEA things in my house. I don't know what it's going to be titled, but I will be doing a video about it. But my mirror is from IKEA. I keep a simple table here, and on the table I don't keep much here because we can drop our keys, our cell phone, and things like that as we are entering the home. So I do not clutter it with anything. I just love me some roses or peonies, and then that's it. Just keep it very, very simple. So this is the coat closet. There's no coat here, but we have our shoes here and all the way on the floor. So I keep a small mat there so that the shoes can, if it overflows, it goes right there. And I have a little sign that says spring is in the air, which I don't really care for anymore, but it's there. And in the basket, if you're wondering what's there, it's shoes, and then socks. Since we don't wear shoes in the house, if a visitor come over, I provide them with socks or house shoes if they're not comfortable being barefoot. So that's what's in there. So guys, this is my guest bathroom. It's a half bathroom. It's simple. There's not much in here. Just soap, hand sanitizer, and also a hand towel, which is freshly out of the dryer. I keep my paper towels, toilet paper, sorry, like that for guests, just in case the one right here next to the toilet is finished. You don't feel embarrassed by calling the host or calling someone asking for toilet paper. You can just grab one right there. I love this wall art. It's been here since it's been with me since I was in my apartment, and I just love the simplicity, the flower blooming, the blue. It's a very calming color for me, so I really like that. And down there's the toilet. I don't think you need to know what a toilet looks like. Okay, currently we are in my living room. Guys, I love the simplicity of the living room. We don't have much. The living room is very small. It's not a crazy big living room. This is it right there. So I do not keep much here to clutter the space, but I love home decor. As I have mentioned previously, here I just have a small what is it called, side table that I got from Target. I believe it's Studio McGee, but I forgot. Could be Threshold, I'm not sure. My pillow covers are from IKEA, and I just have a pillow insert inside. And on my table, I love the simplicity of the table, guys. My flowers, just in case you're wondering, are from my front porch. I have a tree there that I was able to go ahead and grab some. Inside of the vase, there's water so that the plant do not die. And on this side, on this side, I don't keep anything on my couch. I don't mind placing things on my couch, but I keep it very simple. For me, I just feel like too much things just kind of stresses me out. So I just keep a throw blanket right there, and that will do it. And let's come close to the table. I love those flowers. I just think they're so pretty. The pink that is peeking through, and the greenery, I just cut it and placed it in there, added some water, and good to go. On my table, the little candle holder is from IKEA. The candle it's a generic candle. Yeah, and this black bowl is from Goodwill. So this is what it looks like. And as you know, we just came from there, which was my entryway, and this side here. Okay guys, sorry for my fridge if you hear it going crazy. So before we go to the kitchen, here I have this huge wall that I went in and I added a console table, and I added some real stems and some faux stem mixed together, some water in there. Can you guess which one is the real stem, which one is the fake one? Let me know in the comment below. I love this candle. It smells so good. In my previous home tour, I did mention that. And this sculpture right there, guys, I am in love with it. I love the simplicity of it. And I got this at Goodwill, guys. Love it. And here I have my matter stored book. Yeah, I just love the simplicity of this. And guys, let's go into the kitchen. My kitchen remains the same, super simple, but I went in and I grabbed some branches and some stems outside my front porch again, and I added in this clear vase which brings springs inside. It's just, I love the simplicity of my kitchen. We cook a lot. I have 3 little kids and a big husband, so we cook a lot, we eat a lot, and I like my corner top to be empty. One of my comments that I got in my previous video was why I don't have my dish soap or my sponge on my countertop, and I don't like the look of it. For me, it looks cluttered. I don't want to see a huge bulk of dish soap on my countertop, even a little one. I don't like it. I bought some cookies at IKEA, so that's why you see that cookie should I say cookie jar, but you know, that cookie thing over there, ball there, that's why you see it there. The white ball right there is actually for fruit, so we have some oranges there. My stools are still here. As I said previously, if my kids grow up a little bit, I will get better stools, but so far my stools are still here. They're sturdy, they're not chipping, peeling, and yes, thank God for that. Now we are upstairs. I love my upstairs, guys. Let's go closer. So my couch here, I draped some throw blankets. If you don't know, we love throw blankets here. Yeah. And some black and white pillow. The covers are from Amazon, and the insert is just insert pillows that I had here already. My table, I don't keep anything on the table because this is our family room. We have movie night, so we put food here so that nothing's on the floor. But yeah, and also you can sit right there if you need extra sitting. When I feel like I have too much decors, I do not put anything on the table. So right here, I love this setup right there. Love the simplicity. As you can hear, this room echoes a little bit more because we have less things here. Love it that way. I love this vase, guys. Love that vase. Is that, hold on, is that CB2? I'm not sure. Let me look at it and I will let you guys know. Okay, no, it's Crate and Barrel. I thought it was CB2. But yeah, I love it. And here, I do not keep anything there. I don't. I wish I could even close those cubbies, but my nearest feature, what I want to do is actually build a fireplace like we have downstairs. So on my sofas, my chairs, I can't talk today. I have nothing on there. Just love blue because it's a color that I can handle. But now I want to go to more neutral colors. So white, a little bit of cream, I think will be pretty here. And yeah, just keep a lamp right there. Just keep it very simple. And I love this throw blanket. It's from Heart and Hand, and that's from Target. Guys, my dining table is the best purchase I ever did. It's simple. I love the minimalist look of it. I love the fact that I can just wipe it down. I don't have to worry about stain. I don't have to worry about fingerprints on glass table. If you're worrying about how to clean this type of table, get yourself what is it called, from the Dollar Tree. I will put the name right here for you guys. Sorry, my brain just can't catch up. But dilute it with water and you're able to remove any type of smudge right there. The chairs are also from IKEA. It's not a set, but I made it into a set. I love how simple that looks. And we do have a throw blanket ladder right here because we love throw blanket in this family. And I do not have space to put it anywhere else, so I keep a throw blanket ladder here. If I could change it, I would and put it somewhere else, but yeah.
But if only you could see that we are meant to be.
Before we go into the boys' room, this is the drop zone by the the stairs. When you come up the stairs, this is what you see, and this is the boys' room. I actually love my boys' room. When I grew up, I didn't have a bed. I slept on the floor on a mat. So having a bed and a cute little bed like this brings me so much joy. Even though it's not my room, it's my kids' room, but I just love it, and I try my best to keep it very simple. About 2 months ago, I went in and I cleared underneath their bed. So this room is actually really good. We just need to do a little bit of decluttering of some toys and some clothes that do not fit anymore. But this is my kids' room. So as you guys see in the previous home tour, you did not see this. Now they're getting older, so they need to do their homeworks, and also I want them to do play games that are educational. So I placed the computer right here. My daughter, she has a laptop from school, so she doesn't need it. But yeah, this is a shared room for the boys. So I usually sit here to get the kids ready. So that's basically my chair, I should say. But the library used to be behind the door. I keep their coat on the under this door, and I keep a little pen right there to remind me of what's happening in school and what I need to buy or not buy, or what I need to do. And right here is what we have the library now. Guys, I love this. You don't even know. The kids are obsessed. When I did this, they were not home. When they came home, they're like, okay, we love it. Guys, I love all their books. I keep all their books right here. when I say quiet time, this is where they go and grab. And this little helicopter, you may think, oh, this is cute, but this is not just an helicopter. This is actually a piggy bank. So it has money in there. And I just love the simplicity of this. Right behind the door here, guys, this is what helps me keep the kids' room organized, is by keeping everything right here that they need on the with their shoes. This shoe thingy, if I have a bigger home or more space, I will be able to get rid of this behind the door. But so far, this is what works for us. I am able to organize the kids' closet like so, with dress-up shirts and school, bulky school uniform, and all over here, school uniform bottom part is what is it called? Pajama bottom, pajama top. Here's 2 for one boy, 2 for the other boy. Small chair so that they can go ahead and grab whatever is up here that they are not able to reach. I have hats right there, extra brand new socks and things like that go in here, and then their little bow ties and thingy all goes right there. And yeah, and all the toys is right over here, and that's what keeps this room so organized. People think that my kids are clean. No, I show them how to be organized. There's a difference. They're still little kids, so when you just dump your toys in there, you don't have to worry about seeing it. You don't even have to worry about it being clean. Just pick it up from the floor and put it there, and mommy is good. I don't care. And right there is where all their shoes goes. This has not changed. It's where I keep all their shoes, and that also has been able to help me keep this room organized. Then they can pick up the shoes from the floor and just put it right there. So this is my kids' bathroom / guest bathroom. There is a shower right there. The toilet is right there. I keep 2 paper towels right there because this always keeps falling, so I don't play with that. I just keep it right there. When it's finished, I will know I'll add another one, because I do not like people calling me to come to the toilet to give them toilet paper. I just keep their soap right here, and then that's it. On here, let's go into the cabinet. In the first drawer, there's just toothbrush and toothpaste, and also a cup to rinse their mouth. The second one hosts extra toilet paper. The bottom part hosts just extra what is it called, floor mat for the shower here, so I can just grab it quick and just place it without going somewhere else to grab it. So this is my daughter's room. Sorry for that beeping sound. Oh my goodness, with the batteries. I wish I had changed it before the video, but here we go. This is my daughter's room. At least she made her bed. That's all that matters to me. I don't want it to be perfect. I want it to be made, because when you don't have your bed made, your room looks messy even if it's clean. So I always remind her to make her bed. And right here, it's just a little butterfly. And she still has her same setup where she sits here and she's able to read. And when we turn right here, this is her closet space where her shoes, her toys, everything is organized right here. Her roller skate, this table needs a little bit of cleaning, but yeah. This is my daughter's room. I just love how simple it is. Things are able to go back where they belong, and you don't worry about clutter.